Hi all, I welcome every one of you to my presentation. Today is the topic why earth pin is thicker and longer in a 3-pin plug point. So we have three terminals in a 3-pin plug point. So one is earth, it deals with the earthing. Okay, so let us learn about earthing firstly, after that about that pin. So introduction to this topic, electricity is our friend as well as worst enemy because everything it depends upon our how we are handling. Okay, so depending upon the handling, how to handle the apparatuses, electrical apparatuses, then every electrical apparatus has some special instructions to be used. Okay, so we need to follow the special instructions. What would be the voltage, what would be the current allowed, and how to use it, and wet conditions, dry conditions, and so everything should be monitored. It should not be wet all the time. So to avoid earth leakage, we need to avoid the earth leakage current, right? So this is all about the introduction, and we need to take care of all the electrical apparatuses, okay, to safeguard ourselves. Okay, so because it will be the best enemy, best friend as well as worst enemy, right? So everything is purely depend upon our how we are handling. Okay, so we need to deal with our protection also, right? So why is the need of proper earthing? Before moving to discuss about the earthing terminal in the 3-pin plug points, we need to understand what is earthing or what is grounding. So in any case, the live wire touches the appliance metallic body, or in case of shortage or leakage current inside the appliance, current will flow through the human body to the earth. This is the electrical accident, right? So in case live wire touches the metallic material or any other instruments, or in case if we are touching the phase wire or live wire, what will happen? So we need to be electrocuted, right? That means electrical accident, right? So for that we need to be we have to be safeguard ourselves in proper insulation, right? So here it deals with a earthing or grounding. What it means, earthing? So sending off the excessive current or leakage current to the earth, that is the grounding. So it escapes the man, or otherwise we can say that we can be safeguard ourselves from being electrical accidents, from being in electrical accidents. So we can overcome the electrical accidents by the proper earthing or proper grounding. Okay, so it is very much necessary to protect the person who touches the metallic body of the machine, don't get electrocuted. Electrocuted means electrical accident, and at last it will take away the life of the human being also. So that's what it is stamped as worst enemy, because it depends upon our usage. Okay, so how we are handling the electrical apparatuses, right? So proper earthing is necessary. Earthing is the very foremost important thing in electrical engineering. Sending off the excessive current or leakage current in the apparatuses. Anywhere else leakage is found, and it will be sending off the current if properly earthed. Okay, so here the terminal, that means the earth terminal. So here the earth terminal is longer and thicker. Okay, so that's what we are going to study about that, why it is longer and why it is thicker. Okay, so we have three terminals in 3-pin plug point, right? So this is the longer and thicker terminal called earth, and here neutral and phase, neutral phase will come. Okay, so neutral phase, left side neutral, right side phase, neutral phase. So why it is longer? So here the concept is first in, last out. First in, last out. Okay, so that means one of the terminal of the 3-pin plug point, that is the biggest terminal, that is the longest terminal. Why it is longer? Why it is longer? So when we insert a 3-pin plug into a 3-pin socket, the earth pin is the first to make a contact with the socket as compared to the live and neutral pins. Okay, so and earth pin is the last to disconnect, first to connect, last to disconnect, first in, last out. Okay, so in order to have this terminal, the earth terminal, to get in first, so when we about to insert some apparatuses, plug pin of the apparatus, 3-pin plug point of, suppose if you want to insert the 3-pin plug point of electrical iron box, that iron box terminal, that the plug point, it has a 3-pin plug point to power the supply, right? So in that earth terminal is longer. Why it is longer? So are you ever thinking about why it is longer? Because it has to, while inserting into the plug point in our home, it needs to be sent firstly first in, and while disconnecting the apparatus, it has to come out first. Okay, so no, last. It has to last out. It has to come last. It has to get in first and lastly out. Okay, first in, last out. This is the main concept. While inserting the instrument, proper earthing is needed, right? So earthing should be done firstly. Okay, while removing the apparatus, live wire should be detached or disconnected from the supply. Lastly, the earth wire should be disconnected. Okay, then only we can safeguard ourselves from earth current or any other leakage current. Okay, so this way earthing is well maintained during the operation for proper safety and protection. So this is all for our safety and protection. Okay, it is the best friend as well as worst enemy. Electricity is. Now we know that why the earth pin is longer. Why the earth pin is longer? Because while inserting, it needs to be inserted first. While disconnecting, it needs to be disconnected at the very last. After all, getting disconnected, the phase wire is disconnected. After getting the phase wire disconnected, the earth wire should be disconnected. Okay, so while inserting first, earth connection should be inserted first, and while disconnecting the electrical apparatus from the live wire, the earth wire should be disconnected last. Okay, that is why it has a longer terminal. Okay, so longer terminal, it is in the structure of getting in first and coming out last, right? Okay, then next thing is why is this thicker and picker, right? So we have studied about the picker and why it is thicker. We have I have listed 3 main reasons for that earth wire to be thicker. Okay, first reason is to prevent the wrong way to operate a 3-pin plug point, right? So we should not insert this into earth wire into live wire. Okay, then that will be the consequences is stronger. Okay, different consequences is different because there will be the short circuit occur, right? So we need to insert this earth wire first, right? That is the main reason. Okay, and another one thing, it should not be inserted into live wire or earth neutral wire, live or neutral, especially live. Then it will be leading to the short circuit operations, right? So in short, the earth pin is picker and it cannot be inserted in the live or neutral slot of the socket even by mistake, right? We should not insert that earth wire into the live wire. That is why it has a separate dimension. That is why it is manufactured into be the thicker one. Okay, so next case is it is obeying the law of resistance. Second reason, it clearly shows that the resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the conductor. That is, thicker of the conductor, more area, lesser is the resistance. Okay, so it is made to be having more area than the other live wire terminals, right? Live wire and neutral wire, right? It has a bigger dimension, right? That is why it has bigger area, more area. It has more area. So the earth wire, see this, it has a more area, right? So because as it is bigger, it will have more area, right? So more is the area and less is the resistance. So if the resistance is less, it will allow more current. That means excessive current or unwanted current to be passing throughout this earth wire. So R is equal to rho L by A. This is the formula. R is equal to rho L by A, and it shows that when the area is more, lesser is the resistance. Okay, so anyway we need to have the lesser resistance. So that is why we are making that earth wire to be more in area. Okay, so to allow huge amount of current if there is an electrical accident, so more amount of current will be flown throughout that earth wire. Third reason is so to prevent someone from inserting conducting materials in it which cause electric shock. See this is a newly available 3-pin plug point or 3-pin wall socket, right? So here inside that one conducting thing is there, right? So it's one kind of prevention, right? So while inserting this, so firstly the earth wire should be inserted, right? After all inserting the earth wire only, it will open. So inside that there is a separate separate construction that after the earth wire is opened, this live wire and neutral wire will open. Okay, so this is the construction. Okay, so in this case, longer earth pin helps to open the shutters. Inside that there is a shutter which will enable to open live wire and neutral wire terminal after the earth wire being opened. Okay, so that is without longer earth pin, the shutters for line and neutral remains closed for better safety. So it will be closed. Okay, so as soon as the earth pin opens, it will open. So that is what we are in need of, right? So first earth connection should be in touch with that. Okay, so our apparatus should be earthed first. Later on, we can give live wire, live current, phase current. Okay, so followed by the earthing only, current should be given. Okay, so this is the main thing. So we have studied why it is bigger and why it is thicker, why it is longer, because it has to be inserted firstly and drawn out lastly. So to be safeguard ourselves, that means earthing is the foremost priority. It should be given firstly. Okay, followed by the current, live current. And why it is thicker? First reason, to prevent the wrong operation. Second reason, to have the less resistance. We need to have the more area in the conductor. And the third reason is to avoid from electric shock. The construction is, so we have a shutters, and the shutter will allow the earth wire to open first, followed by the live wire and neutral wire. Okay, so it causes us to be safeguard ourselves from being electrocuted, and without longer earth pin, the shutters for live and neutral remains closed for better safety, right? So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. And if interested, and if you are interested in our videos, and you can watch and you can share it to your friends, and keep update yourselves, be updated yourselves. And thank you very much. Thank you.